I know you want to give me some fries.
Just like a nigga. Just like a nigga. Tell me bad. Get out of here. Why are you high? I bet this looks so freaking amazing to you right now. If you drop that camera, hold on, put it okay. Wait, I'm sorry. Hey, Chick-fil-A, you can see me because I'm light skinned. Hey, light skin. You got that Chick-fil-A sound? Or fries. Hey, let me get 3. My flex dollars back.
I love you. Ooh, baby, you gave me the whole can.
Okay. Yeah. So, let's go.
You know, I ain't got my chain because I got robbed because I'm flocking, I'm playing.
See how ignorant we are? See how ignorant we are? Exactly. This guy right here.
He just called me ignorant. That's fucking horrible.
I'm used to being only light skinned person out here. So, it's not surprising.
Compared to,
it's a long walk.
Compared to Jamil, I'm the light skinned guy. Get there you go, I can see.
I'll show you how hungry niggas can be when they see the size of chicken. Okay?
What's that in your hand, young man? What's that? Birds.
These are 22 Chick-fil-A sandwiches.
Oh shit!
That I just bought with my flex dollars.
Oh shit! Wait, where did you get those fat butter? Where you get the flex dollars from? The Fort Valley State University.
Right there. I'm gonna put them right there. You gonna film right there?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on, man? I'm gonna walk in first. Hold on to these again. You see this?
Hey, y'all throw me a bird. I want to run out of TV there bird. Just say, cause I love the Fort Valley State University. Suspect 9. He goes into the room, checks the room out. He comes back. Do your thing, cuz. Do it. Prompt. Go. Oh. Nobody can hear me. He goes in with the bags. Jesus. He goes in. What you gonna do, Joe? Watch this. Dad wanted the birds, go for it. They don't want them. Now watch this animal.
Come back.
Watch animals go for it.
Hold on, let's go back. Let's spread them out.
There you go. Watch animals go for it. It's like watch this National Geographic. When the bird. Look at this. Look at this. At a black college. Run, my nigga, run.
I want to run and get one.
They go just all there. Run.
Exactly.
How do you feel, Joe? Wait, it's gonna be a fight. Hold on. Niggas fight on birds. Look at this shit.
Okay.
Y'all want about them sandwiches in there?
Yeah.
How y'all get them?
Not your ass.
No,
How in the hell he gonna ask for some hooker and motherfucking Chick-fil-A? You can't hook that shit up. Damn, what?
What was your reaction when you first saw that out?
Shit, I got up and got me some food.
Did you couldn't even believe what was going on?
Yeah, nah, until you done it up. You done it up, it was over. So some dude had 2 bags. I grabbed a bag from him, so got me some food, and I'm hungry too. I go eat this shit now.
How many is in there? Hold on, how many in there?
I don't even know. 2, about 5.
5?
Yeah.
Yeah, you better go ahead. Head over there right now, bro.
Hey, bag broken. Don't let it break.
Yeah, don't let your bag break.
All over again.
My good deed for today.
Alright.
I know you happy.
Hell yeah. Chick-fil-A, you know how Chick-fil-A is? I'm about to pay for that shit. No.
No.
That shit flip bucks, I ain't paying for it.
He holding it like
Chick-fil-A.
he wants fries.
Got your chicken.
Got my trophy.
I'll time I cut.